Ma'am, good evening po, ma'am. Ma'am, sabi po ni Kong Joel po today, and yung mga leadership po, ni Kong Gonzales, Manix Pibe, and David Suarez, na to put it succinctly, hindi na raw po ginalang yung House of Representatives, and parang binastos daw po yung House of Representatives dahil sa pagpunta niyo po doon kagabi kay Atty. Zuleka. Your thoughts po, ma'am, doon sa sinabi na Kong Joel and the House leaders po, ma'am?
Yung pagbisita ko last night, nagpaalam ako, it was on paper, yung pagpaalam ko na I was requesting for a meeting 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Ang hindi ko lang nalagay doon kung bakit, kasi nanggaling ako sa Davao City and yung flight ko arrived 5:30 p.m. Took me 3 hours, 2.5 hours to get to Batasan. Kaya 7 to 10 p.m. yung na-request ko. But nag-request kami ng meeting na pinayagan naman nila.
Ma'am, kasi po parang sinasabi po nila na yung, parang ano daw po yun eh. The word they said was parang sinugod nyo daw po. Yun yung word na pagkakasabi nila. Parang sinugod nyo daw po yung House of Representatives daw po. I mean, your reaction lang po, ma'am. Kasi parang, ano din po sa kanila, parang kayo bro, sumusugod daw po kayo, pumapunta po kayo. Pero sa mga hearings, hindi daw po kayo nagpa-participate. Pumunta po kayo kay former President Duterte sa Quadcom, pumunta po kayo kay Yusek Lopez, pero sa mga hearings daw po hindi po kayo pumupunta.
Yes, tama yun. Tama yan. I don't know kung susugod ang tama na word doon dahil nagpaalam naman ako at binayagan nila ako. Pero tama yun. Hindi talaga ako umaattend sa hearings. Why? Why would I answer to a speaker implicated in a bribery case on record in a court case? Why would I answer to a member of, hanggang ngayon, hindi ko alam bakit member ba ito ng House of Representatives, convicted of child abuse, taking IP children doon sa amin sa Davao City, dadalhin sa Manila. Diba? Why would I answer to a member of the House of Representatives na merong utang sa aking husband ng 9 million dahil sa isang case? So why would I answer to them? Why would I answer to a member of the House of Representatives na ang tatay niya mismo, na may screen cap ako, nagsasorry sa ginagawa ng anak niya? Alam niyo, hindi pa umabot sa buhay ko na nagsorry ang tatay ko, kanino man, sa ginawa ko. Pero this member of the House of Representatives, tinetext ako ng tatay, I'm sorry. So why would I answer to him? Nagsorry yung tatay, ibig sabihin may ginagawang mali yung anak. Diba? So why would I answer to them? I am here because of Yusek Lopez, and I will be here for Gina, for Lemuel, for Sunshine and Edward, and whoever magagaling sa Davao na ipapatawag nila. I understand si Barbara, si Carla, ipapatawag nila, si Bandiding papatawag nila. I will be here for them. And all the rest na makontempt. I will be here for President Duterte, but I will not answer to members of the House of Representatives, especially sa may utang ng 9 million hindi naman sa pamilya namin, sa law firm ng husband ko. That is 9 million na dapat ini-enjoy ng pamilya namin, pero hindi niya binabayaran.